In this video I will teach you about pay-per-click. So type here beadvertiser.com. Beadvertiser is also a pay-per-click affiliate program. Beadvertiser is like AdSense, but Beadvertiser works in different way. It will approve your blog. It will work very well on a single topic. Beadvertiser is a pay-per-click advertising company that plays ads on your blog, and it will pay you. It will pay you each time when advertisement will clicked. So before that, you'll have to join as a publisher. So create your account. Just type here Aditya Devnath and type your phone number. Sorry, uh, 91. Just like that. Put your number, not like that. And your mail ID. Copy this and paste here. Choose a username. Aditya. And your password. Okay, if you do have any PayPal account, you can check this one. Otherwise, you can go for check country. Choose your country. Street, your address. Okay. And this is get activation code. Beadvertiser will send a sorry pay name. Put your name. And Beadvertiser, this is get activation code. After clicking that, Beadvertiser will send a activation code to your mail ID. Close Windows. You'll get it from here. This is Beadvertiser. This is the activation code. Please copy this and paste here in this box. Okay, check all the boxes, your terms of condition and everything. Check all the boxes. Continue. So I've created we have created the Beadvertiser account. Now we are going to add our blog details in Beadvertiser. So blog details is, you can go there, copy this and paste here. Copy the URL, your blog address, and paste here. So this is not don't click this one. Choose a language. Our blog is some education related, so choose here. On this is online education, so choose distance learning. Finish this. So in our blog we need advertisement code. Hmm. So we'll have to collect that. So this is the area. So I can get the code from here. Before that, we should match the color of ad with our website. So we'll have to design this. So click on template, and so many types is there. So you can go here, banner. I prefer to click on this little bit, customize the color. So this will be your ad. This is little bit preview. You can change your font color also. You can go for red. uh, Font color, you can choose anything, you can choose. Yellow color, anything. uh, you can choose yellow also. Click this one, and the link color you can change it on red. Hmm. This is also, you can choose anything. So this is the border color. Border color just like this. So uh, open ads in same window or new window. After clicking the advertisement, when visitors will come in your blog, after clicking the advertisement, where it will open, same window or new window? You please choose this one. It will open in new window. Update this. After updating, after updating, once again update. Now you can get code. Copy this one and minimize it. You go, you please go to the layout. This is your blog. Um, Go to your layout so that you can put your advertisement. So you have to choose where you want to put your advertisement. This is your blog. So I want to add the Bitvertiser code uh, in this area below the heading. Below the heading. So I have to click add gadget. This is, so click on this and HTML JavaScript. Okay, I have already copied the code, mm, getting from Bitvertiser. Paste here and save this. So go to your blog and refresh it. The ad will come here. Ad will come here. If someone comes to your blog and click on this ad, you will get commission. So it's coming. The ad is coming. This is the ad. If anybody click on this, you will get commission. And go to Bitvertiser. This is Bitvertiser title, and this is the URL. Type HTML maximum bits. You can see the advertisement which will come in your blog. Click on the view, and lots of advertisement will be there. Just wait, it will come. And one thing I'm telling you, Bitvertiser offer a wide variety of different ads that you can get from here, and to put on your blog or website. The Bitvertiser ads change regularly on your blog. Uh, this is the ad. if this ad comes to your blog and anybody click on this, you will get $1. These are the ads. So how much per click you will get from Bidvertiser? So it's really depends on the type of ads. Hmm. It depends on the type of ads you get clicked by the people on your blog. So per click you will get a 10 cent, 12 cent, $1, anything you will get per $1 you can get per click. So we have learned how to create an account in Bidvertiser and how to design the template and how to get the ad code. Everything we have learned from here. So okay, okay, thank you.